Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Bolex Repair Philippines. This video is for first-time Bolex users. I'm going to show you a tip for first-time filming, before you're filming essentially, is the eyepiece. Make sure that you put this eye cup on here, rubber eye cup, before you start filming. If you don't do this, the reflection of your eyeball is going to be in what you're filming, and I kid you not. If you want that type of look in your film, then do not put one of these rubber eye cups on here. However, if you do put a rubber eye cup on here, it's best, because if you don't, here again, you're going to get the reflection of your eyeball in the film, in what you're filming with your Bolex. Okay, so make sure you buy yourself and put on this rubber eye cup on your Bolex. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on the videos, and I hope you've enjoyed this video on a basic tip for first-time Bolex users. Thanks a bunch, and bye-bye.